Alright, we are at Gulf Mill Mall here at JCPenney. I guess there used to be a Sephora in there. The elevator's around this way. I talk over the Mumford & Sons. I don't want to get a copyright claim here.
Hi there, welcome in.
How's it going?
Hacen internships ahí.
And the elevator, this whole store is definitely still pretty old looking in its design and all that. The elevator is over here. Here it is. I guess that's probably the stairway right there. Got a Dewhurst mod slap on. Other than that, it's still just about original. What the hell? Okay then. All right. Let's see here. Capacity, 4,000 pounds. Capacity, 4,000 pounds. Yeah, okay then. Here's your certificate. All right, let's go up. Wow, that is quite some pre-door. Let's go back down. Indicator kind of works, half works. I think LL's burnt out. Doesn't even pre-door on the way down. That's odd. Why does it do that? That's really weird. And the cover on the interlock is cockeyed. Anyway, that will be it. All right, we're gonna get a little more footage of this. Geez, look how old this place is. That's definitely dated. Yeah, listen to the motor. Just into elevators, getting a video of it.
Honk.
pre-door like that when you start after the doors have closed, I think. So here we go. Alright then, I guess not. Weird. Alright, well, I'm gonna go back down. This thing is really old. Also, I like the fact that they must have run out of graphic designers, so they just drew the advertisement for this one.